Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss an issue which is based on CSR expenditure. The issue in the present case before the Amritsar bench was that whether the CSR expenditure done by the assessee is eligible for adjustment for calculating the book profits under section 115 JB. This issue has been taken up by the tribunal in the case of Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax versus Jammu and Kashmir Power Development Corporation Limited. This case is reported in 125 ITR Tribunal at page number 556 and the date of the judgment is 15th May 2025. In the present case, the assessment year concerned was assessment year 16-17. And the assessee has made a provision in the profit and loss account for the CSR expenditure as per the Companies Act, that is 2% of the average net profits of the preceding 3 years. When the assessment proceedings were going on, the assessing officer, by relying on the Central Board of Direct Taxes circular, that is circular number 1 of 2015 dated 21st October 2015, was of the considered view that the amount of CSR expenditure debited in the profit and loss account is to be considered as an upward adjustment for calculating the book profit, and he made an addition into the book profit accordingly. When the matter was before the CIT appeal, the CIT appeal deleted this addition by saying that the Central Board of Direct Taxes Circular number 1 of 2015 was regarding only about the non-allowability of the deduction of the CSR expenditure, and that circular does not talk about any adjustment into the book profits. And according to the Commissioner of Income Tax Appeals, the amount of CSR expenditure debited to the profit and loss account does not cover into the explanation 1 to section 115 JB. So accordingly, the Commissioner of Income Tax Appeals allowed the appeal of the assessee. When this matter was before the tribunal, by dismissing the appeal of the revenue, said that in the present case the assessing officer has brought nothing on record to demonstrate that the profit and loss account is not prepared as per the accounting standards, as per the accounting principles, or as per the Companies Act 2013, meaning thereby that in the present case the profit and loss account of the assessee was complying with all the accounting standards, with all the accounting principles, and it was as per Companies Act 2013. The tribunal said that the assessing officer do not have any power to recompute the book profits of the assessee. The tribunal said that the adjustment for the book profit is to be done only as per section 115 JB, and when the accounts are prepared as per the accounting standards, accounting principles, then in that case the AO do not have any power to disturb that accounting result. So from the complete facts of the case, the assessing officer do not have any power to add back the amount of CSR while calculating the book profits of the assessee. Friends, as far as the CSR expenditure is concerned, now through this case a new litigation has arisen, because earlier the litigation was that if the assessee has incurred some expenditure on CSR, then there is no doubt that this expenditure is not allowed under section 37 subsection 1, but the various courts and tribunals are allowing this expenditure under section 80G if the person to whom the amount is given is registered under section 80G. Now this second litigation has crept in where the assessing officers are trying to add back the amount of CSR expenditure into the book profits, but that is also not justified as per the provisions of section 115 JB. At the end of this video, once again, I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax versus Jammu and Kashmir Power Development Corporation Limited, and this case is reported in 125 ITR Tribunal at page number 556, and the date of the judgment is 15th May 2025. Thank you, friends.